Okay guys, what we're going to do today is a cleaning of the tracks on a BevMax vending machine. So what we'll do, we open up our door, open up the main door of the machine, and what we're trying to do here is lubricate the tracks so the drinks slide nice and smoothly. These are quite clean, but keeping on top of the maintenance will definitely help out in the future. Okay, so what we'll do is if there's any crud or any build up on these sliders, we'll use a brush, and all we need to do is pull back and just scrub the tracks. Make sure there's nothing on the tracks that would hinder the drink from coming out, and then in your maintenance kit that's been provided, you'll find the inox food grade lubricant. What we'll do is slide back this, and then we'll just give it a light touch of lubricant, and then move the pusher back and forth just to spread that lubricant around.